Dabba there like that, B.
The yapper yams.
Who that is?
Nigga, it's
It's
Ferg.
Ferg, nigga.
Nigga Ferg, man. Nigga, stop playing, man.
Yo, I'm with some real stylish niggas, man. Who you know what I'm saying? We actually do this, you know what I'm saying? So
He got Gucci on? That nigga got Gucci on?
yeah, real Gucci. It's real Gucci too.
What is that fake ass Gucci? You look like me in the back, boy.
Look.
Take me over.
Look. We got real. Look,
Man, get your Wi-Fi right there, po ass shit.
Look, bro. This is all I'm gonna say to you, bro. This is all I'm gonna say to you, bro.
What's up? The goat.
This is all I'm gonna say
I
to you.
know you want this for life.
Yeah.
Here's over, girl.
Yeah.
Play Yachty shit. Play my shit. Play my shit. Play Yachty shit real quick. Bullshit.
No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. This not verses. Look, this not verses. Check it out though. I just want to come and I just want to congratulate you on understanding the jacket. You changed it. You got a mind clear on. I hope it's a real one.
Oh,
you know
play ball. Play ball right now.
Look, we ain't gotta do all that. Chill. Look. Hey, look, why your layover flight was so long today? His layover. That nigga was in the airport for like 6 hours.
So you still want to go, huh?
No. You got it.
Hey,
Look, we're gonna stream. Look, we streaming you mad tomorrow, man, or tonight.
Hey,
tonight.
that shit tomorrow, nigga. Tomorrow at 12 p.m., nigga. Cause
Yeah,
I
we
don't
streaming
wanna
that.
trust nobody but myself, nigga.
Yachty. What's up?
You psyched out. What's up, Molly Mara?
Tell my nigga Molly what up.
Yeah, Flacco said, "What's up, Molly?"
What's up, my nigga? Already, G.
What the hell y'all got cooking over there, man?
Hey, listen here.
What's up, nigga?
Hey, why you yelling, bro? Oh, what's up, bitch? Hey, why you yelling?
Hey, I'm the flyest nigga you ever seen, boy. Hey, look what I got on, Yachty.
Hey, let me see your watch.
Look like shit, ain't no. It's like.
Yo, stop doing.
Hey, my little sister got that watch.
It's a light watch. Nigga, say only 20,000. Nigga, it's a light watch.
The watch was not
This said,
20,000.
my brother, this said 20,000, boy.
That's the Jubilee, bro.
20,000, crazy ass man. Rose gold, crazy boy.
No, bro, that's not rose gold. That's two-tone.
Two-tone rose gold.
Hey, let's stop playing me.
How much it is then? How much it is, Yachty?
I watched probably 16,000. I can look it up while we on the phone. I can look it up while we on the phone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna look it up while we on the phone.
If it is 50,000 still, that's your big.
Hold on.
Hey man, play Yachty shit, man. I'm tired of your ass. Fuck this shit. Hey, play man.
Let's see. Don't change the subject.
Hey, how much you say? Hold on.
Plus tax, nigga. How much? That's definitely cap, nigga. Man,
how much it was?
Man, I'm paying you big ugly ass nigga, them ugly ass fake ass.
Wait, how much? How much that was?
Man, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm having that shit, nigga. Hey, who that is right there? That's, you motherfucker. Get it. Hey, play me out of your shit, man. You got that shit on? I know you. That fuck ass song, man. Play that shit, man. That fucking baby ass kid, that big kid ass, that big kindergarten ass nigga. That nigga want to be a kid so bad. That nigga 30 years old, man. What the hell you still got bees in your damn hill? Man, don't put me Yachty back on. I'm tired of your little black ass. Man, hey, put fucking Yachty on right now. Put Yachty on. Tired of that little black ass nigga. I know you want this for life. What the fuck did he say? Take a chance with all my life? Man, play fucking Yachty ass, man. I'm tired of his little ass. He say, "Fake what? Man, stop playing me, man. I don't do all that capping and all that other shit, man. Like, I got plenty of watches. I got plenty of money. Hey, listen, I don't got to explain myself. What's understood don't got to be explained, you motherfucker. Hey, play though. Yeah, hey, give me the dongle. Give me the dongle, man. You bullshit. The biggest hit he got. Taking, I know you want this for life. His biggest song. That ugly ass nigga. That nigga, big kindergarten, middle school ass nigga, man. That's it? Broccoli. The fucking broccoli is fucking hell.
Oh, drum?
Yeah, his ass.
Hey,
Turn up.
Tell me what I'm feeling beyond. Hey, I'm beyond all that first shit. Hey,
little mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Ice on my neck, cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just told a deal when I spend like 10.
Little kindergarten ass.
I just did this stuff, the check on my mouth.
Turn that shit off. What the fuck is that, man? I know you want this for life. That shit hard. That shit a hit, but for the kids, for my little sister, she was 5 years old, 4 years old. What kind of grown ass nigga listening to that shit? We gangster, man. We real deal. Nigga gangsters, nigga. Who listen to that? Stop that shit. Why the fuck you keep saying peekaboo for? You nigga, we understand that shit, nigga. Man, play with that pussy like peekaboo. Nigga, shut up. Nigga, what you playing with, nigga? But you a kindergarten ass nigga, man. You have to stop it, bro. Get your ass up. Nigga, this nigga a kindergarten, bro. This nigga.
Order online with Domino's and get access.
This nigga a kindergarten. All right. Yeah, you had better climb this saw ass. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Let me holler at you.
That what you
Look,
video?
that's all right. Look, check this out.
You sus as fuck, boy.
That's all right.
Man?
That's all right. Check this out. Look. What's up? I like that chain.
Listen, bro.
Now look, check me out. That's a cool chain.
I appreciate it, bro.
I like that.
I appreciate it.
Why you say that watch is 20,000?
However much it is, still money, bro. Doesn't matter.
No, it is. I ain't say it wasn't. I just why you say that like I don't know.
It doesn't matter how much it is, still money, bro.
You right. But look, real quick, I just got a question. Look, explain something to me, right? See, I knew me. I thought I wanted to tell us about. I thought they recorded 2 hits in 1 hour. I walk from my house and they holding my stuff. Don't be like that, man.
That's it, man. You
don't be like that. Look, I just look on some real shit. All jokes aside, bro.
You're a fucking kid, man.
I know. All jokes aside, look.
Yeah, are you in middle school?
I know. All jokes aside, though, look. Check
it, man.
I know.
Why the fuck
look,
you got BBs in your hair? It's been 4 years already, man.
I know. But look, though. So, look. This is what I'm saying. Explain to us why you sold your Rolls Royce for a Camry. A Nissan or whatever.
Cause I'm about to buy a house for like $3 million. So, you know, it's priorities. I gotta get my priorities straight. That's why.
So why are you buying cars you can't afford and houses you can't afford?
I can afford my cars for sure, but guess what? They sit. My shit get dusty. Why the fuck I don't drive my car?
I got loan money, bitch. Shit, I got my own money, bitch. Yachty put up in the word with the brown money, bitch.
So that's what you're saying, and you expecting us all to believe that.
I'm about to buy a $2 million house.
Okay.
Okay, that's why.
Don't be little Bow Wow.
Hey, guess I don't give a fuck about no damn Rolls Royce. That shit don't do nothing for you. What the fuck that do?
Don't be Lil Bow Wow, man. Don't start capping on
Bow
him.
Wow. I don't gotta be no Lil Bow Wow, man. Nigga, I'm having that shit, bro.
Listen what you're saying, though. You saying Rolls Royce don't do nothing. Why you give me
I'm trying to say, why your ass got braids in your hair and you been in this shit for 4-5 years, man. Why the fuck you got braids in your hair for, bro? Why the fuck you still got BBs in your motherfucking hair?
You crazy, bro.
You
It's like that.
What you think that shit cute? Why the hell you wearing wigs? Why the fuck you wearing wigs in that motherfucking video? Why the fuck you doing that?
You stand around.
Explain yourself. Yachty Boat.
Explain.
Yachty Boat, explain yourself. Why the hell? Who the fuck told you to wear a wig? I don't give a fuck if you're doing it for 50 million views. Why the hell you wearing a wig in a damn video?
Nigga laughing at you, bro. You crazy, bro. You sucked up, bro.
Why the fuck you wanna? Why the hell you wanna? Why you wearing boobies in a video? Are you fucking stupid? Don't ever come at me in your damn life, you fat ass Yachty.
Yeah. No cap, pop that shit. I like that.
What about that ugly ass, stink ass ass chain?
Which one?
That chain childish. That chain childish as fuck.
Which one?
Nigga, all of your shit. But you be doing some childish ass shit, kitty ass shit.
All right. Look, man, I fuck with you, man. He mad out the mind, man.
Hey, bro, I love you. And guess what?
I love you too, bro. I love you too, bro.
I want to make a hit with you too this year.
Let's do it.
But guess what? Don't be with that kitty ass shit.
You got it, man. It's your world, man. Rock out, brother.
I love you, bro. No fuck, nigga. Don't be with that. Hey, Chance, man. We go, Chance, real quick, man. Cause this Chance, explain this shit, man. Chance, explain this, Chance. Oh yeah, Chance. Oh, okay. Listen, Chance. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna let you go to sleep. I ain't about to play with you, man. Cause no, I love you, Chance. You cool, man. I ain't about to fuck with you, bro. Stop playing with me, though, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Man not coming out tomorrow, man. Man's not okay. Man not coming out tomorrow, man. All right. Man not coming out tomorrow. All right. That simple. Man, it's hot as a motherfucker. Hey. Man not coming out tomorrow. You know. Bro. Shit. Turn that shit down, boy. That's that. Turn on, bro. That nigga mother, I don't give a two fuck. What you doing, man? What, man, what the hell you doing, bro? No, bro. I don't like him. I don't like doing that shit, bro.
You gotta let him do that deep, man.
No, bro. Hey, you got man now? Why the hell you don't got that shit for? You stupid motherfucker.
Send me everything, man.
No, bro, not on him.
Can't you meet it? Can't you meet your Can you meet the audio?
But what you doing, bro?
My airdrop is on, bro. You know.
Man, fuck an airdrop. Hey, give me the dongle. Oh man, you on some clumsy ass shit, little man. You shut the hell no. Nah.